Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Muskan and Juhi, for joining in. We are on chapter number 12 that talks about identify your key constraints from the book Eat That Frog, written by Brian Tracy, wherein he is teaching us 21 ways of beating procrastination. या फिर कह दो stop procrastinating. All right. Let me quickly share the screen so that we can read it together and learn. चैप्टर नंबर 12 ये तो दूसरा बोल रहा है चैप्टर लेवरेज योर स्पेशल टैलेंट्स लेट मी चेक बुक में तो ये चैप्टर ही नहीं है ओके अब क्या करूं should I read what this chapter is talking about or should I read from the book? बताओ बताओ.
We are okay with both.
चलो.
Yes, we are okay with both. आपको जैसे लगे.
And do you have the book with you? Any of you have the book? No? तो ठीक है, we will read from here. ठीक है. ये ऊपर जाओ. Chapter number 12. Leverage your special talents. Do your work, not just your work and no more, but a little more for the lavishing's sake. That little more that is worth all the rest. Wow. थोड़ा सा और एक्स्ट्रा करना है. थोड़ा सा और एक्स्ट्रा पुश देना है हमारे को. Right? You are remarkable. You have special talents and abilities that make you different from every other person who has ever lived. There are frogs you can eat or learn to eat that can make you one of the most important people in your business or organization. हम सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल टैलेंट्स हैं, राइट? देयर आर टाइम्स जो हमारे कहते हैं ना डस्ट के नीचे बहुत छुप जाता है, या फिर जैसे कोल होता है, कोल को हमारे को कितना सारा ट्रीटमेंट देना पड़ता है फॉर इट टू बिकम अ डायमंड. देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन थिंग्स आर अंडर लेयर्ड. थोड़ा सा और पुश करेंगे, थोड़ा सा और काम करेंगे, तो वी विल लर्न हाउ टू बी दैट पर्सन. हेलो कोमल, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. कुछ हमारे देर आर फ्रॉग्स जो हमारे को आते हैं खाने. देर आर फ्रॉग्स दैट वी कैन लर्न हाउ टू ईट and that can make us one of the most important people. और उसी के लिए हम we will be paid the best. In previous chapter we studied about how it is so important कि हम जो चीज कर रहे हैं उसमें the best हो. And that's what is coming ahead as well कि हमारे हम अगर उस so I shared the example of Pooja Puneet, how she is the least educated in terms of she's only 12th pass, but she is the most educated in the topic she delivers, right? तो हम लोग भी अपने आप को I don't know how much we have studied or where are we at this point in time, but we can make sure that whatever subject we are going to teach, we can be the best in that. There are certain things that you can do or that you can learn to do that can make you extraordinarily valuable to yourself and to others. Your job is to identify your special areas of uniqueness and then to commit yourself to becoming very, very good in those areas. जो अभी मैंने example दिया, that's the एब्सोल्युटली एक्यूरेट एग्जाम्पल कि भैया जो आप सीख रहे हो, इफ कोमल इज थिंकिंग ऑफ बिकमिंग न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और अ डॉक्टरेट इन समथिंग, तो शी कैन वर्क हार्ड on single one topic to be the best in her industry. Whosoever stands by her, सबके सामने she should be the one कि हम कहें कि हाँ भैया ये है ना. लाइकवाइज फॉर जूही, कि अगर वो टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग करती है तो शी शुड बी सो एक्यूरेट, सो गुड विद हर कार्ड्स, कि वो जो कार्ड निकाल रही है सच्ची में सामने वाले को वो ही चाहिए था सुनने को, राइट. एंड दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द कनेक्शन विद द कार्ड्स, राइट. एंड सेम फॉर मुस्कान. आई डोंट नो मुस्कान, आप कौन से कोच हो?
NLP एक्सपर्ट.
वाओ. सो अगर मुस्कान एनएलपी एक्सपर्ट है तो शी शुड नो कि वो कौन सी मोडालिटी यूज कर रही है एनएलपी की, एंड दैट मोडालिटी, इन इवन इफ इट इज अ सिंगल मोडालिटी, इट शुड बी द बेस्ट. उसको कहीं से भी कोई भी सिचुएशन आके दे दे सामने वाला, शी शुड बी एबल टू क्योर द पर्सन, हेल्प द पर्सन विद दैट मोडालिटी. इतनी डेप्थ चाहिए उस टॉपिक के ऊपर. इंक्रीज योर अर्निंग एबिलिटी. Your most valuable asset in terms of cash flow is your earning ability. Your ability to work enables you to bring tens of thousands of dollars into your life every year by simply applying your knowledge and skills to the world. This is your ability to eat specific frogs faster and better than others. You could lose everything you own, your car, your house, your job, your bank account. But as long as you still had earning ability, you could make it all back and more besides. So, हमारी knowledge is the only thing that is going to remain with us no matter what. So, work on it. Take stock of your unique talent and abilities on a regular basis. What is it that you do specially well? What are you good at? What do you do easily and well that is difficult for other people? Looking back at your career, what has been most responsible for your success in life and work today? What have been the most significant frogs you have eaten in the past? I would love for you to take a screenshot of these questions and do it for yourself right away. कौन से ऐसे टैलेंट्स है? व्हाट इज इट दैट इज, अगर आपको नहीं पता ना, ask people around you. They will also tell you. Shruti Chaudhary tells that she did not know which coach is she. She started asking people around her, and people said, you are a mindset coach. And then she started calling herself a mindset coach.
True. The same way I keep on finding niche.
कई बार हमारे को नहीं पता चलता, we don't know कि हम क्या चीज बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो लोगों को पसंद आ रही है. Why are people sitting in your room?
True.
If you don't understand कि आपका क्या स्पेशल वो क्या कहते हैं यूएसपी है, why don't ask people around? Ask your friends, ask your relatives, ask your parents.
Right. Yeah.
What are you good at? What do you do easily and well that is difficult for other people? Looking back at your career, what has been most responsible for your success in life and work to date? Okay. Do what you love to do. You are designed in such a way that you will most enjoy doing the very things that you have the ability to be the very best at. Isn't it true? हमारे को जिस चीज में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है, हम जिसमें अच्छे होते हैं, हमारे को मन करता है हम उसमें ही और अच्छे हो जाए, हम उसी को काम को और करते जाएं. That is something like a self-fulfilling prophecy. जिसके अंदर इफ somebody says कि करिश्मा यार तू ना बात बड़ी अच्छी करती है, तू बड़े प्यार से बोलती है, करिश्मा को मन करेगा कि यार मैं ना सबसे बात ही करूं, मैं प्यार से ही बात करूं और सब खुश होए मेरी बात से. Everybody feels touched, right? What is it that you enjoy the most about your work? Let's hear it from you. Komal, what do you enjoy the most about your work?
What I enjoy about my work when I was teaching kids, because currently I'm not teaching, but what I loved was that I also could feel compassion for them. Like I could care very well. Even don't want to say more than parents, but yeah, parents were hitting, I would stop them to hit. That don't do this. They are slow learners. Let them be slow learners. However, they are a psychology thing. I would do because I was in these things, so I knew I was implementing these things in my teaching area also, like compassion and no, I was very kind and polite. Obviously everybody is, I don't know, but mother, because she wants that competitive thing, that hey, why my child is being behind.
ये
So
रखो
I
अपने पास that you are a compassionate person.
compassionate, kind, generous,
Kind,
I know
generous.
these, but sometimes yeah, we can matlab derail, but
लिख
mostly.
लो लिख लो अपनी notebook में. Julie, let's hear it from you. What is it that you enjoy the most about your work?
Something similar to Komal. फर्स्ट आई वॉज टीचिंग तो मुझे बच्चों के साथ रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता था एंड एवरी डे इट वॉज अ हार्ट फेल्ट स्माइल laughs that I enjoyed doing with them. And even now it goes like with the with leads, I mean with the clients we get for one to one. So the way your words motivate them, the way you can help them out to be overcome their challenges, yeah, तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है एंड आई कैन गो ऑन एंड ऑन, चाहे it is included in that session or not included in that session. मतलब उनसे उनके लिए नहीं भी होता है, आई जस्ट गिव इट ऑफ फ्री लाइक फॉर दिस, कुछ भी समझो रेमेडीज रहते हैं हमारे टैरो कार्ड में या क्या, बट दैट दैट गिव्स मी दैट हैप्पीनेस.
Wow, wonderful.
Teachers would complete session in 45 minutes or 40 minutes. My session would go till more than 1 hour. Like because we are paid according to the hour.
Yes,
Then also my session would go on because I would like ye bhi karwa do, this also, that also. So do all the examples. I felt
wonderful.
it is not a good habit, I admit, but that would extend. That was me. Matlab, I was like keep doing because yeah,
It
something.
happens. It happens. So
Hmm.
Shruti also, she used to say 6 to 8 ka session hai, diamond session, and she would go till 9:30. Chal raha hai, because it is a flow
Yes,
that you come into. It is a
teaching.
state.
Teaching, counseling, coaching, these things cannot be defined because someone is asking. So we can do it, but it will need a lot of practice because we keep on explaining, at least for the child. They were very small, age group was 4 to 8. So yeah, they needed that time.
Let's hear it from Muskan. Muskan, what do you enjoy doing the most in your work?
When finally my client says I love myself.
I Beautiful, beautiful. Weren't you waiting to tell me this? Beautiful. And what kind of frog do you enjoy eating the most?
Working on technical work, systems पे work करना, because that is the hardest thing for me. But I do it first. आज भी सुबह उठ के I have done my app work only.
Wow. So do you have an app?
हाँ, वो प्रोसेस में चल रहा है सारा, recordings upload and everything.
All right. Let's hear it from Juhi. Konsa, which frog do you enjoy eating the most? Normally, it is not beautiful to eat a frog. I understand. Frog. So, if you have not read this book earlier, eating the frog is the most difficult task that you need to do to be ahead in your journey, to be reaching your goal fastest.
सो पहले मुझे मुस्कान को एक चीज बोलनी है. मुस्कान, आपकी मुस्कान से ही शी स्टार्ट सेइंग दैट आई लव माई सेल्फ. You don't have to take efforts also for that. You have a beautiful smile.
Yes.
And eat frog is recording videos or anything related to social media, क्योंकि मुझे उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है, which I don't do it throughout the day. अभी भी मतलब since morning Gargi has sent to me, but मैंने अभी तक नहीं किया है. It is like I should do early in the morning before taking up anything else, but रह जाता है मेरा. So I would like to do that first.
आई वॉन्ट टू एड ऑन माई एक्सपीरियंस. जब मैं मेरे साथ भी सेम हुआ था, सबसे मुश्किल था कोर्स रिकॉर्ड करना. एंड व्हाट आई डिड वाज, पहले मैंने पीपीटी बना ली कि कुछ लर्न नहीं करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि पहली प्रॉब्लम मेरी ये थी कि बोलूं कैसे, इतना कौन याद करके बोलेगा. देन पीपीटी, द सेकंड थिंग आई डिड वाज, मेरे को कितनी वीडियोस बनानी है, और मेरे को सिर्फ इतना था कि मेरे को कम छोटी छोटी वीडियोस बनानी है. एंड आई इतनी सुंदर सा, आई हैव वियर द वाइट शर्ट, ये वो व्हाट वी से, लाइट क्या बोलते हैं इसको, स्टैंड लाइट,
Ring light.
डिम, हाँ, वो कौन सी लाइट,
Ring light.
हाँ, रिंग लाइट वगैरह का सिस्टम ऑन करके आई जस्ट मैकबुक चला के एंड आई जूम पे आई रिकॉर्डेड एंड आई वाज लाइक, मुस्कान सिर्फ 3 मिनट पीपीटी पढ़नी है बस, मुस्कान बस 3 मिनट पीपीटी ये ही अपने आप को हौसला दे देंगे. एंड देयर वाज वन अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर, मैंने लाइक पहली वीडियो रिकॉर्ड होगी, दैट पर्सन यूज्ड टू चीयर मी अप इतना सारा, मुस्कान डिवाइन, मुस्कान भगवान बोल रहा है आपके मुंह से, मुस्कान ये मुस्कान वो, एंड आई वाज लाइक सेकंड वीडियो भी कर रही हूं तो मैं.
Wonderful, wonderful.
ये तो प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी था जब मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी. तो बट नेक्स्ट डे आई जस्ट कॉल्ड अ फ्रेंड, लाइक ऐसे ही, तो शी गेव मी द way where how I can record. So she introduced me to this Q prompter, in laptop. तो उससे मतलब बस यू नीड टू सी द स्क्रीन एंड से आउट, तो इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल. वरना ये डर से तो मैं 2 मिनट 3 मिनट इज टू लॉन्ग, मैं 40-50 सेकेंड, मतलब 30-40 सेकेंड्स भी नहीं बोल पाती थी. एंड सो इट इज की इट इज, आई डोंट नो, बट मोस्टली सबके साथ सेम होता है कि इतनी स्क्रिप्ट लर्न करके बोलना इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
Yes, that's true. मेरे लिए भी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये रील्स बनाना है. द डे आई हैव टू मेक अ रील, इट्स लाइक ओहो ये काम कैसे होगा. एंड मेरे को एक्चुअली, मैं सही बताऊं, आई वाज सपोज टू पोस्ट अ रील ऑन थर्सडे, है ना, और मेरी वो अभी तक नहीं पोस्ट हुई है. आई एम सो बैड
Yes.
रील्स, आई एम सो बैड विद.
तो मैं भी, इसलिए मैंने इसमें भी, फोन में भी टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर लिया है. आई मीन ब्लिंक लिया है, उसमें टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर होता है. एंड आई जस्ट रीड एंड आई से, मतलब पूरा स्क्रिप्ट बना के डालती हूँ.
पर उसमें
बिकॉज
दिखाई नहीं देता ऐसे ऐसे करके पढ़ रहे हैं.
नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता है. आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे हैं, आपको लगता है मैं पढ़, ऐसे आपको लगेगा ही नहीं. अभी जैसे आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, इट विल गेट रिकॉर्डेड इन द सेम वे.
या मे बी करेक्ट हो जाता होगा, मे बी दे करेक्ट द
नहीं
आई
नहीं,
एंगल.
आप इट इज ऑन द अपर टॉप, ठीक है. वो जो ब्लिंक में आता है ना, वो प्रॉम्प्टर अपर टॉप में होता है. तो ऑब्वियसली आप ऊपर के पोर्शन में देख रहे हो, एंड यू आर जस्ट डूइंग लाइक दिस.
या
आप अपना एक्शन वगैरह कर रहे हो एंड यू आर रीडिंग इट.
ट्रू. आई थिंक करिश्मा मे बी उसका स्पीड भी वो होता होगा ना, स्लो स्लो आ रहा
वो
है.
स्क्रोल नहीं, वो अपने आप, वॉट एवर यू से, इट गेट्स स्क्रोल्ड,
या
अपने आप ऊपर जाता है.
ट्रू.
तो इसके लिए मीन्स इट इज लाइक,
वी ऑल कैन ट्राई व्हाट जू इज टेलिंग.
मतलब वो है तो उसका एवरी मंथ पे करना पड़ता है. इट इज नॉट अ फ्री वर्जन, बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ, बिकॉज इट मुझे मोटिवेट करता है कि आई कैन मेक वीडियोस इजीली. पहले मुझे 2-2 घंटे लग जाते थे एक सिंपल रील बोलने में, कभी ये अटका, कभी ये अटका, कभी ये अटका. बट नाउ आई कैन मेक इट इन 10 मिनट्स, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट सामने रहता है, गेट रेडी एंड जस्ट. मैं तो चेयर पे बैठ के ही बनाती हूँ मोस्टली वीडियोस. लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, सो आई कैन जस्ट मेक हैंड मूवमेंट्स और वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन थोड़ा सा, एंड इट्स डन.
या टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाई नॉट टेक.
All right, let's hear it from Komal. Komal, what is it that you enjoy eating? Which frog do you like eating the most?
How is it difficult? The things which I enjoy are not difficult. I didn't understand this thing. Like what I enjoy, how it will be difficult. What kind of frogs do you most? Okay, let me tell what I enjoy, right? So expressing myself, coming in these sessions. So I don't know how to monetize, but yeah, I love to do such things. Communicate with people, I feel. Communication also. expression, or where different ideas are flowing freely. That is to my heart. मतलब वो घर पे भी होता है ना, people start talk, some are introverts, some would love this brainstorming. मेरा brain active हो जाता है, या it loves. And other things, we being able to understand people, empath thing, or do something for the welfare of community or any, like, yeah, that things are resonating at the moment, but yeah, things can change, obviously. We don't know
Yes.
what may ignite more fire later on.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The very
Donating.
fact
Yeah,
that
thank
you
you.
enjoy something means that you probably have within yourself the capability to be excellent in that area. तो जो भी आप enjoy करते हो, keep doing that. You have the capability to be an excellent person in that area, maybe the best. One of your greatest responsibilities in life is for you to decide for yourself what it is that you really love to do, and then to throw your whole heart into doing that special thing very, very well. Look at the various tasks and responsibilities. What is it that you do that gets you the most compliments and praise from other people? What do you do that positively affects the work and the performance of other people more than anyone else? These are the questions that you must reflect on. Okay? Successful people are invariably those who have taken the time to identify what they do well and most enjoy. Because if you do not enjoy what you're doing, it is going to get very difficult for you to sustain those kind of things. They know they know what they do that really makes a difference in their work, and then they concentrate on that task or area of activity exclusively. जो चीज समझ में आ गई है उनको कि क्या चीज सबसे बढ़िया वो करते हैं, जो सबसे अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, what can bring the maximum difference in their work, they make sure that they concentrate on that task or activity. ठीक है? You should always focus your best energies and abilities on starting and completing those key tasks where your unique talents and abilities enable you to do it well and make a significant contribution. You cannot do everything, but you can do those few things in which you excel. The few things that can really make a difference. So for example, for me, it is a book reading club. मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है इसको होस्ट करने में. I love it, and I love reading books, and I love to talk about whatever is written in there. I love to take perspectives of other people, and मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, ये काम एक ऐसा है which is a non-negotiable for me, कि भैया मैं जहां पर भी हूँ मुझे मन करता है मैं घर पहुंच जाऊं और जल्दी से हो जाए ये काम. ठीक है? let's hear it from each one of you ki what is that kind of thing that brings the best energy in you, which brings a lot of focus and everything for you. Whom should we start with? मुस्कान ऑफलाइन गई है ना, मुस्कान से पूछेंगे पहले.
Yeah, I'm here only. मम्मा ने बुला लिया था, जस्ट अभी एंटर हुई थी रूम में. मुस्कान मुस्कान सुनाई दे रहा था, हाँ, इसलिए.
अभी जूही ने भी कैमरा ऑन कर लिया जल्दी से. I love doing this. चलो, let's hear it from you, मुस्कान.
About
कि the Brian Tracy is talking about that always focus your best energies and abilities on starting and completing those key tasks which are unique talents and abilities enable you to do well and make a significant contribution. I was giving the example that I love hosting these book reading sessions. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है when I talk to people, when I know, when I understand what are their perspectives, when I have the ability to share my own perspectives as well. It comes very naturally to me. It's nothing that like I have to, prepare for it or anything. Right? So what is it for you?
For me, the most interesting part is teaching NLP, because I know when people just enter and I just tell the concepts, I go so deep into the concepts. They started saying wow, 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 ये हमने कभी नहीं सुना. And वो एक्चुअली वो उनकी फीलिंग इसलिए ऐसी आ रही होती है क्योंकि मेरी फीलिंग ऐसी है.
वाओ.
It's manifestation.
हम एक एनएलपी टेक्निक मुस्कान से सीखेंगे
My
कल.
every single bulb on moment में. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to serve.
Wonderful,
Like,
wonderful.
this is something which I love to
And
do.
I've not experienced NLP in a nice way, so it would be good. मतलब I couldn't change those if someone tried. Yeah.
लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स को ब्रेक करने के लिए करके आना. प्रिपेयर फॉर ब्रेकिंग
Like
द.
I've done randomly na in a workshop, like they were like, okay, Komal, now how many points? I was like, okay, 5. Then okay, come to 10. That only I know. But this is NLP.
चलो
Okay,
let's
okay, 10. But
see.
later on my mind will say 10, but now it is again 5. So how did it break?
चलो मुस्कान will help you break one of your limiting
Yeah, I
beliefs.
don't even know matlab, what more can be there, what is there in NLP.
बस ठीक है.
True.
मुस्कान has committed that she's breaking one of your limiting beliefs tomorrow.
Yeah, and others can also try. We all are together.
Yes. Let's hear it from Juhi.
Uh, we have to say what we are good at, no?
Yes. That you love doing. जिसको आपको it's like it flows from you.
So that is life coaching. It comes naturally. चाहे वो unknown भी होता है. Even if someone doesn't even know me or I don't know them personally, but वो automatic आ जाता है.
मेरे को वन ऑन वंस में भी बड़ा मजा आता है वैसे. बाय द वे
हाँ,
I'm
मुझे
I'm
भी.
I'm more
Transparent.
attached with the person while I'm on one. एंड जब मैं मास्टर क्लास या वेबिनार कुछ करती हूँ तो आई एम द लीस्ट वो. आई एम लाइक ब्ला 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 इंग्लिश मार के अपनी खत्म कर देती हूँ पूरा सेशन की चलो हो गया. एंड these places, the book reading club, the one on ones are the most natural things that come to me.
Great.
People design, maybe some people design it in two ways, na? Not take webinars, they do one-on-one only, like yeah, workshops instead of workshops. They love to
Chalo,
do.
Komal, you tell us what is your unique talent, what do you love doing?
Still finding.
Finding. Find.
And yeah, otherwise, the people compliment here word was in what sense people are complimenting you. Somewhere I read that
Yes.
in
It's
some
what
paragraph.
people appreciate you most, like what they.
Yeah, it is about people were saying like neighbors, everyone, that how much concern I keep for those people also. Same again, they were like, if I'm going shopping, I was helping each and everyone. Like, okay, because elderly were also there, 85-year-old, she wanted a cardigan or something. So I was able, obviously, we all do that. But yeah, this thing
Everybody
was
does it. Not everybody has the heart of doing that.
patience level.
Yes.
Patience level. Because there, if we are going to mall, that girl can also help. But I was with that aunt asking and helping. Yeah, in family people do, but yeah, see, I have also gone with them, but I did not buy anything. I was just with them to
Yeah.
like this. Yeah, three neighbors and me. I didn't plan, I just went. Okay, let's go with them if they anything.
That's
So
good.
maybe not every time I can do these things, but later on I'll able to know more that this thing. And I have been like this from childhood. Yeah. I would give give food to maids. Like when I was a child, मतलब खुद खाया नहीं खाया doesn't matter. Amrood and everything.
Wow.
Such things were.
Nice.
Hmm. Same again, compassion and kind and generous. Those things are coming up, I guess.
And do we have Juhi? Juhi, what was yours? Life coaching. ठीक है. NLP मुस्कान का, life coaching जूही का, and Komal is an empathetic soul who loves giving people
Yeah, teaching
compassion.
it comes under this counseling and teaching, I would say. So both the things. Teaching can be in any field. Even my number is coming to be 3 numerologically, and both. So that also says you are a counselor. Like that
Yes.
only is aligned.
Preachers,
That
preachers.
is preachers aligned. Like I learned from Della ma'am, from other people, like 3 number is equal to like 12 if you're born on 12 or 3 or 21, and if destiny number also comes to be 3, you are maybe many healers we can see. Yeah, can be. They will be, see, some are service providers, some will be able to do in this also. There are a lot of things to be done, na? So these can be counselors and teachers.
Wonderful. Last but not the least, 2 points that Brian Tracy always leaves us with are: number one, continually ask yourself these key questions. What am I really good at? What do I enjoy the most about my work? What has been most responsible for my success in the past? If I could do any job at all, what job would it be? ठीक है? If you won a lottery or came into an enormous amount of money and you could choose any job or any part of the job to do for the indefinite future, what work would you choose? What work would you choose? Muskan.
What's unique about me is I kind of help people in believing in themselves, because in there are some zones in our life na, for example, career, business, spirituality. In my spiritual work, my belief system is very strong because I have worked a lot on myself uske upar, and I have faced matlab spiritual exams also on that and passed that. God blessing card also on spiritual thing, same thing, that आप यथार्थ निश्चय बुद्धि आत्मा हो. So in with my patients also, me being a doctor, मैं अपने patients को भी खुद पर believe करना सिखा देती हूँ. When I told you ना, once my patient was saying कि nurse की नाक पे मच्छर है, I said हाँ है. And she started trusting herself. जल्दी जल्दी heal हो गई. So this is my uniqueness.
Wow.
Juhi may not know the story. Do you Muskan told that someone was healed this way, that she was able to see some visions, and that person got healed. It was not a real thing, but person was seeing. Juhi said, "Yeah, there it is."
Visibly.
Truly.
And Juhi, what is it for you?
So,
सब कुछ है दुनिया में, इतना सारा पैसा आ गया, पैसा भरा पड़ा है, then you have to choose one job, one work. What work would you choose for yourself?
again, it is what I have chosen now to heal, because I think it can help people a lot. Healing and life coaching ऐसा है कि it we are lifelong learners, and I would like to serve that throughout my life. So yeah, I would do the same thing that I'm doing now.
Wonderful. And Komal, what would you do?
What was Muskan's answer? I forgot.
Healing and coaching. मुस्कान का तो था
Belief.
कि हम्म,
Belief.
हाँ,
Yeah,
लोगों को
taking
बिलीव
beliefs.
करवाएगी अपने
Yeah,
अपने
or
ऊपर.
maybe taking them out of limiting beliefs. Same thing.
Yes.
Yeah,
हम
I
तो कल हेल्प
would.
करने ही वाली है.
I need this. I need this thing a lot for myself, for my own journey. I keep on doing such things. मतलब, to change my
If
own.
Muskan can help you with one limiting belief tomorrow, maybe you can
Yeah,
ask her
and
for her
slowly,
coaching on
slowly,
the
yeah,
same.
we never know. What is coming up for me? Lot of money is already there. Then what I would love to do again, happiness, work for the happiness for others. Bring happiness, laughter, smiles on other faces. I don't know how.
How? Acha. I don't
Boy, same thing I was saying. Maybe if see, I don't know if I'm having any, are they also having, if they are hungry, by giving them food, if they don't have clothes, by giving them clothes, whatever they need, to try to provide emotions. Yeah, help them in emotions. So can be anything. Just help them remove their pain, remove their pain points. I start crying by visualizing or by knowing that world में pain है तो मेरे को रोना आने लग जाता है. Like in my prayer or something, if I say मैम heart open कर दोगे तो how is it possible to survive? मतलब very weird. But ऐसा ही it can be some past, I don't know कि ये सारे beliefs कहाँ से बन जाते हैं. मम्मा कहते बचपन में भी बड़ी अजीब बातें करती थी. मम्मा सबको रिक्शा चला मतलब पढ़ेंगे नहीं तो रिक्शा चलाना पड़ेगा. Anything, I would just ask. And okay, what I was saying is same thing. मतलब कि सब ये नहीं है कि suffering है, but yeah, pain if I see ना, तो it's like this one is closing the heart. I can't live if I open my heart. तो मैम को बोला मैम open कैसे करो? मैम कहते open करो. Like it is, if you're giving Reiki, just leave that. Otherwise सब हो रहा है तो हो रहा है. We don't care. Nobody is caring. We all know. Accidents हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है. But if you open up ना in Reiki, your heart starts becoming that way. You will मतलब और ज्यादा आपको वो something gentle and soft you start becoming. Yeah.
I still remember a day before yesterday, I had no electricity at my home. Inverter भी नहीं था, inverter भी खत्म हो गया. Then me and my daughter were standing outside and all of a sudden I could see my own shadow on the road. क्योंकि बहुत sun था. तो what I did was I now waved myself and I saw कि अरे वाह बड़ी अच्छी shadow आ रही है. तो I told my daughter कि देखते हैं लोग हमारे को रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं कि नहीं, क्योंकि लोग तो चल रहे हैं सड़क पे. तो if something like happens, do people actually respond or look around to see कि what is happening? We did it for 15-20 minutes and किसी ने मुड़ के तक नहीं देखा. And I was like, see, look at this, how people are lost in their own
Brain
thoughts.
wired है ना, brain washed, brain wired, like anything.
मतलब सच्ची बताऊं तो अगर शायद देखने में ऐसे लग रहा था somebody is in trouble, हाँ कर रहा है कोई.
I thought कि तुम बोलोगे सब कर रहे थे, opposite है ना.
हाँ
I thought everybody will do it.
नहीं, I was expecting कि people whosoever go by there that space, if they see that they should be looking around कि ये कहाँ पे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, क्या चल रहा है, कि ऊपर से कोई नीचे गिर रहा है या क्या हो क्या रहा है. And people are so lost in their own world कि उनको कुछ नहीं पता दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. भैया मेरा जिंदगी चल जाए ठीक है, बढ़िया है, मेरे को ठीक चल रहा है अपना, मेरा सुख शांति मेरे को अपने से मतलब है.
Are you sure they were able to listen?
No, I was not shouting. I was just doing the action. क्योंकि वो शैडो ही दिख रही थी ना उनको तो जमीन पे, सड़क के ऊपर.
Right. So we can also say मतलब awareness become है ना, mindful नहीं है, उनको पता नहीं लग रहा. Anything we can say. अगर
They are
yeah, you were
lost
not
in
saying,
their own
but
thoughts. अरे एक बंदी सच्ची में ऐसे सड़क के ऊपर ही देख देख के चल रही है. एंड शी इज लाइक देख के भी ऐसे चलती जा रही. मेरे को भाई ये कहाँ गुम थी, इसको तो दिखा होगा कि कोई तो हाथ हिल रहे है, कुछ तो हो रहा है, ये क्यों इतनी तेज से सारी बिल्डिंग सीधी सीधी खड़ी हुई है, उसके अंदर से कहाँ से एक हाथ कर रहा है, दो हाथ कर रहे हैं. बट एनी हाउ
see, even if I go to my parents now, they are so involved in their mobile or anything. It happens with if we are feeling that what will happen to the kids, younger ones, even more like teenagers. If I am going, I want to talk the important thing. I would say if you can drop your mobile for some time, they are not too addicted. Still, see the normal people. Like it's not like they are always in like having, but it must be for too many people. I would say, Mama, अगर मोबाइल नीचे होगा तो बात करूँ ना. मतलब I would love to, like she would keep it and then hear something. Or for father also, I'm not going every time. I feel maybe they feel I'm coming, it's casual for them, but when we are going, we feel that it should be like this.
yes. Second point, Brian Tracy says, develop a personal plan to prepare yourself to do your most important task in an excellent fashion. Focus on those areas where you have special talents and which you most enjoy doing. This is the key of unlocking your personal potential. So, आपको personal potential को अगर आपको unlock करना है, if you want to reach the highest potential, understand what you love doing, what are your special talents, focus on those areas and be excellent at doing that. ठीक है? Any takeaways? Let's hear the takeaways and then we will wrap up quickly. Juhi, let's hear it from you.
So, it was very, very insightful. जैसे कि we all know that we should follow our passion and purpose. हमें सब we should have the clarity ताकि it helps us in earning also. Like we should follow our passions जो हमें करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and we don't feel tired of doing that thing. Do the things that really makes you happy is the baseline. You need to know what makes you the most happy being. So you should follow your passion, enjoy doing that, and with that, develop a unique skill which help others also, and that will help you earn also. So yeah, it is that related to ikigai sort of thing. It has covered everything.
Yes. Wonderful. Muskan, what's it for you?
Mine was I came to know about myself more in this session.
Wow. How sweet.
You helped me in loving myself more. अच्छा मुस्कान के बस ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है.
Wonderful, wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. God bless you. Komal, let's hear it from you.
Yes, Muskan, the thing which she is saying, we get to know more about self when we reflect on it. And because I'm not able to start the thing at times, like, so I was thinking if I love teaching, so what is the issue coming up? I was thinking. So issue coming up here is I don't like authority over me. So it's like yeah, in job area you will be some yeah. So here is like coaches. I'll need to build my own thing, and for that you need courage. So
What is the subject that you teach, Muskan?
that was yeah, phonic reading
Phonic.
in yeah,
So you can be a phonic reader coach.
true. Hmm.
अपना काम शुरू कर दो.
For that, see, if I'm in a job, everything is ready-made for me, obviously. That is, whole syllabus is given, curriculum is being
I'll tell
designed.
you. I will tell you. I'll give you a trick. 6 months के लिए job करो.
Yeah,
Know what they teach. Understand. Replicate it in
true.
your business.
Yes, people have taken the same, even same stories and everything also.
आप थोड़ा
And
change कर देना, थोड़ा अपना तड़का
हाँ,
लगा देना, थोड़ा अपनी
that is what,
personality दे.
they change and they can make it. Like someone was hiring me again after changing this job.
That is
For
the easiest. So all the mentors say, instead of starting from the scratch, जो so it is like पानी की एक वो आप वो बना रहे हो, what is this stream, है ना? अभी आप हर बार अलग बनाना शुरू करोगे तो it will take a lot of time for you to reach to the farm or whatever जहाँ पे भी आपको water भेजना है. तो it's better कि आप उसी stream को आगे आगे खोदते जाओ ना, ताकि वो जल्दी से पहुंचे.
That's a
So
good
if
idea.
somebody has done some work, pick it from there,
Right.
उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो, साथ साथ अपना दिमाग से उसको कुछ शिफ्ट्स लेके आना शुरू कर दो, and you will be independent. You won't be working under somebody.
The way daycares are there, a lot of things. It's not. One is making a syllabus. If I find this a difficult, daycares can be started where many things can be there. It doesn't need those syllabus thing is not there. Na? Reading is different. This is
Tension
different.
क्या है? Phonic reading is not that difficult.
Yeah.
I can help you. मेरे पास तो इतनी बुक्स मैंने अपनी अभी ब्रदर की बेटी को भेज दी हैं. मैंने अपने बच्चों को इतनी phonic reading कराई है, इतनी phonic reading कराई है. It's like
What is phonic reading?
phonic reading is like pronunciation.
Sounds.
Yeah. If you're
So
doing
Komal,
yeah.
Komal, I have also been teaching that only.
Okay.
So it is, if you don't want any authority, you can start on your own.
Right.
इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग, आपका थोड़ा लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है, इसके लिए यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एक्शंस।
You
It's
know,
hard
even my
करके
brother
ना।
was telling download the lessons and start teaching. Who knows that you are teaching? If
नो, यू कैन ब्रश अप एवरीथिंग,
हाँ,
यूट्यूब पे सब है, उसके अलावा भी मैंने तो सीखा था, मेरे पास तो खुद ही स्टूडेंट्स आने लगे थे। आई मीन आई डेंट इवन पब्लिसाइज या कुछ भी।
आप अपना
मैं
इंस्टाग्राम खोलो, इंस्टाग्राम पे आप थोड़ा थोड़ा डालना शुरू करो,
I think
वीडियोस
limiting
ऑटोमेटिकली।
belief must be something else. I'm not able to acknowledge. I feel मुझे अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि belief कुछ और है, कि मे बी showing up और किसी और चीज का है, जैसे NLP, like it is like just coming up and doing something का ही वो है,
कॉन्फिडेंस,
या
मे बी कॉन्फिडेंस।
confidence, but in that area कि नहीं मेरे से तो नहीं होता, this belief
है
कि
ना।
I don't
वैसे
know.
वैसे कोमल किसी और के अंडर रह के पढ़ा के पैसे कमा लेती है, बट अपने आप नहीं हो पाएगा बेच।
हाँ, because there nobody, if management is good तो वो भी
100%
चल रहा था.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेना चाह रही है कोमल।
या मे बी एट होम ऑल्सो कुकिंग करना है तो मोम के साथ करवाओगे, अकेले से आई कांट डू इट. आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन की खुद से कुकिंग भी कर रहे हो, सी, है ना.
आप घर पे दो बच्चों को भी पढ़ाओगे ना, यू विल फील वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, थोड़े ही
या
टाइम में यू
आई
कैन
विल
स्टार्ट
स्टार्ट
योर
दिस वे, डोंट मेक करिकुलम,
बिकॉज
बिकॉज घर पे आई डोंट नीड करिकुलम, लॉट ऑफ थिंग इट. या
मैं बता रही हूँ एक ही चीज सिर्फ, मुझे घर पे आना शुरू हुआ ना, तो इट आई वॉज द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट बिकॉज किड्स कांट जज यू कि आप सही पढ़ा रहे हो या गलत पढ़ा रहे हो,
हाँ,
ठीक है।
ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने में तो मम्मी पापा भी साथ में बैठ के देखेंगे, कहेंगे अरे ये गलत पढ़ा रही, पागल है, ये तो गलत पढ़ा रही
एंड दे यूज टू लर्न ना, मम्स ऑल्सो डोंट नो सो मच. वो करिकुलम इतना जबरदस्त बनाया हुआ है, आई लव्ड इट. करिकुलम वाज नॉट बेसिक वन. तो चाइल्ड जस्ट लर्न्स इन 1 year
है।
फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू completion of reading full stories by themselves. It was so
वंडरफुल।
well organized.
स्टार्टेड, सो मेनी पीपल विल नीड इट, यू नो। कितने
Just two
people
sessions
चाहते
हैं
हैं।
वो. I, even priest and those people they say कोमल इंग्लिश पढ़ा दो, my मंदिर वाले.
वाह।
वो I could not, वो कुछ और, इसका मतलब कोई और हेजिटेशन, सारे लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं.
कोई
एंड
एक लिमिटिंग बिलीफ कल लेके आना है आपको 2 बजे।
या इफ आई एम
मुस्कान विल ब्रेक
प्रेजेंट,
इट।
आई
एक
एम
दिन
सेइंग इफ आई
जूही,
एम प्रेजेंट.
एक दिन जूही हमारी टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग करेगी।
वाओ. एवरीबॉडी इज रेडी.
सबके टैलेंट्स एक्सप्लोर करेंगे हम यहाँ पे।
है ना, कि मे बी दैट ओनली कम्स आउट कि कोमल किस चीज से डर रही
मे
है
बी।
ना. अगर फियर है तो क्या फियर है, वी डोंट नो.
So everybody to bring one limiting belief that they have tomorrow, and Muskan is going to take the session. Day after.
करिश्मा, आई फील आई नेवर ट्राइड टू अर्न मनी बाय माई सेल्फ. ये भी लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है कि मिल तो रहा है, कंफर्ट की हैबिट. तो
So
मैं बस लाइक पैदा हुए हो ना, करना पड़ता है. शी हैज टू टीच मी दिस.
take responsibility of one kharcha in your home that you are going to pay for.
मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो ही अर्न करना है. बस टीचिंग माई सेल्फ कि तुम करती क्यों नहीं, वो मेरे पैशन ही नहीं आता कि चलो करें अर्न.
How much does your house help charge you? बोल देगी पता नहीं।
पता है, दैट इज, हाँ, नॉट बिग अमाउंट, 3,000.
है ना। 3,000 अगले महीने से कोमल देगी, कहाँ से लेके आती है हमारे को नहीं पता।
मैम ने कहा था 1,000 जनरेट कर दो, डेलना मैम, जस्ट 1,000. मैं
हाँ।
मेरे को वो भी नो कर दिया मैंने. कहाँ
नहीं,
से
क्यों
करेगी.
नहीं, क्यों नहीं
जस्ट
करेगी। Just imagine Komal does not have anybody around her. Do you need a house help? नहीं चाहिए तो हटा दो, कल से सारा काम खुद करना पड़ेगा।
करिश्मा तुम्हारे घर में आना पड़ेगा, देन यू मेक मी, है ना. यहाँ पेरेंट्स बहुत डिफरेंट वो है, लिबरल है ना. यू विल, मतलब दे डोंट से एनीथिंग एक्चुअली. मतलब कहेंगे तो वो बिल्कुल, जब सिर पे पार पानी निकलता है, देन मॉम
यही
वुड
तो
से.
प्रॉब्लम है, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। अगर बचपन से ही बोलना शुरू कर दे बच्चों को कि बेटा इतना पैसे कमाने पड़ेंगे,
हाँ,
तो वो शायद अलग इसके साथ चलेंगे, माइंडसेट के साथ। भाई जो पढ़ रही हूँ ढंग से पढ़ लूं, ताकि जब इतने साल की हो जाऊंगी,
यही
दिस
है.
इज द अमाउंट दैट आई नीड टू कंट्रीब्यूट इन माय होम।
बेसिक कंसेप्ट से मेरे वो नहीं बने, मतलब आई फील कि कंफर्ट वाला बहुत बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड एंड बहुत ज्यादा हो गया वो किसी.
कोमल, हु पेज फॉर द बुक रीडिंग क्लब?
हु पेज, आई जस्ट गेट इट, मुझे पैसे चाहिए मिल जाते हैं.
You earn money and you will pay
हाँ मतलब
two
अभी
people का amount from your earning.
या
तब तक accumulate करो, प्लस प्लस करते जाएंगे, तुम्हारी उधारी आज से चालू है.
अभी तो I can just apply
Wow.
into that same job. Same Vedantu wala job, like a friend had told that again opening is there. Try that. First, yesterday I had filled that form nutrition wala today morning after Vikas sir's session because that was necessary. 31st तक उसका last date है. So how just a little bit is left and and was writing that 90-day challenge thing and I'm saying yeah I would be doing. I have in mind this complete the nutrition thing and then do this thing job apply to Vedantu.
कोर्स भी अप्लाई करना था.
That course thing only I'm
कर
saying I've
दिया.
done in morning today.
Wow.
Yeah, form fill. You remember now that I was procrastinating about this thing of certificates. So
Yes.
I have to compress the size of that to
हाँ.
upload. That thing is left. Other things are done today morning itself. I was like, it's a huge task. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि कहाँ से start करना है. सुबह विकास सर के सेशन बाद okay, I was like, don't go to sleep, do it. Why to sleep?
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Wonderful. I'm so proud of you.
true. Thank
All
you.
right.
I'm
On
saying true.
that note, चलते हैं. अलविदा ना कहना, फिर से कल मिलेंगे. God bless each one of you. Stay in the high energy, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep rising.
Thank you.
थैंक यू करिश्मा. सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई मीन डॉक्टर मुस्कान, लॉट्स टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू एंड कोमल एंड करिश्मा. आपकी तो एनर्जी ही अलग है.
Thank you. Thank you.
वेरी मैग्नेटिक. थैंक यू.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Take care.